All right, so what I'm going to do in this video here is show you how to migrate the emails that you've designed in Figma, how to migrate them from Figma into Klaviyo and so how to sort of set it up as a real template that you can then use as a, campaign or flow or, whatever. All right, so all right, so you should have already completed the design here in Figma, and you should have used a frame that sort of houses all of these layers here. So what you're going to want to do is divide the email into a few sections. All right. So taking a look at this one, you're going to have the hero image and the logo. That's all going to be one section. And then the text, you're actually not going to transfer that into Klaviyo. You're going to be building that in Klaviyo with the actual text blocks. And then this one's going to be an image. This one's going to be an image. This one's going to be an image. These are all separate because they all lead to separate products. And then the text you're going to transfer, or you're not going to transfer over. You're going to make that in Klaviyo. And the button down here, you're going to make that in Klaviyo. All right. So how do you actually transfer it? So what you're going to want to do is in Figma, go here and then select the slice tool. All right. So you're going to take this and you're going to create slice number 1. Okay. And then over here on the right, you're going to export it, all right? And then that's going to download to your PC, and you're going to do that for all of these, all right? So same thing here. Let me just sort of illustrate. All right, so that's one slice, and you would export that, and then this one right here. All right, so pretty self-explanatory. So once you're done with those, you're then going to go over to Klaviyo, and then you're going to go to templates. All right, and then you're going to, well, I guess you don't really need to go to save templates, but you would click create blank email. All right. And now I'm just going to delete this one here. So you should have this sort of empty email. What you're going to do is drag over the image. All right. And then we're going to select an image that we downloaded. All right. So in this case, it would be this one. All right. Boom. So once that's uploaded, what you're going to want to do is fill out the alt text. Right. And basically what that does is um, it basically gives text to before the image has loaded, or on desktop, they hover their mouse over the image and some text is going to appear. That's going to be the alt text. So what we're going to do here is basically just describe this. You could call it like hero image, or you could put like the actual text of the hero image. Doesn't really matter too much. New in earrings. All right. Main thing is the link address. All right. That's basically where the email is going to link to once you click it. All right. So that's basically our landing page. All right, so what I'm going to do here is type in, or I'm going to copy paste the landing page. And for you, it might be, a certain product page, might be the bestsellers page, but for this case, I'm just going to put the home page. All right, so that's done. All right, so that is the hero image. Now let me show you how to do the next section, which is the text. All right, so essentially, we're just going to take this text block, we're going to drag it over here. All right. And now Klaviyo had this update where you gotta double click it and edit it over here. Previously it used to be here, but don't worry about that too much. Okay, so we're excited to introduce our new earrings. Let's just put that. We're excited to announce our new drop earrings. All right. So what you can do from here is you can then change the font, change the how do you say alignments. All right. Um, but other than that, all right, so next one is going to be an image. So let's go over here. All right, we're going to upload our next image, which is going to be this one. All right, and then this one here, you're just going to do the same exact thing, put in your alt text. So of the Pink's Dangle drop earring. And then you're just going to do that for all sections, all the image sections, right? All right, so we have all of our images here. Um, we have our hero image, we have our text, and let's see what else we got. All right, so down here we have this text and then we have this button block. So let me show you how to set that up. So more text here. All right, just type in whatever you're going to type in. These earrings are designed to be noticed. All right, so let's just put that. These earrings are designed to be noticed. All right. And the last part is the button. So that's going to be this button block over here. So drag that down here. Let's delete these social links just to make it look better. All right. So color is obviously off. And there's a few things that are off. So number one, the rounding of the corners, that's going to be this radius here. If you don't want any rounding, you want it to be perfect 90-degree angles, which for this brand it is. You're just going to make this 0. Over here, we're going to need to change the color. So you're going to go into Figma, select this, select the color, and then just copy and paste this hex code right here. All right. Let's paste that in. Boom. All right. And now the text needs to be black. Whoops. All right, now it's black. Um, let's see what else. Yeah, obviously we need to um change the font here. So that's going to be this one here. Uh, let's go with this one for now. All right, so now we have our button. Also, if you want to put space, that's going to be this spacer block here, and then you could decide how many of these you want, or you could just like increase the size, like this one right here. Let's make it like 80. All right, and then this one. Also, to add more space, that's going to be the padding top and bottom. So let's put 40 there, see what that looks like. All right, so that's going to space things out. All right, so this one needs to be centered. So what we're going to do here is text alignment. All right, boom. Um, font size is pretty small, so we can increase that. So let's say, what, 18? Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Boom. Let's see what else we're missing here. And then this one, let's go up here and see what that looks like. All right, so yeah, we can make the font bigger. And then padding again. That's going to be 40. All right. So, oh, and also, yeah, make sure to, change the link address here to the landing page that you want. And then what you're going to want to do when you think it's all, it all looks good, go here to preview and test. And most important, obviously you want it to look good on desktop, but most important is going to be mobile for most stores. All right. So, now this is optional, but personally, I find this border here to be kind of ugly. So how you're going to fix that is you're going to go here. All right, go to the main sort of page here, go to styles, and then let's see, margin. What's this one? You want to change it to 0. All right, so we're going to go here. Let's check the mobile again. All right, boom. And now we don't have that border anymore. And now it just looks pretty solid. All right, so that is how you migrate the designs from Figma to Klaviyo.